Hello students and welcome to this video of consumer electronics. In today's video we are going to see the syllabus. So this is the introduction to your syllabus. Let's start. I am Mrs. Swarupa Pawar and I will be teaching you this subject. Its name is consumer electronics, CEL. So before starting with the syllabus content, let us see the course outcomes. Course means the subject and outcomes means what you will achieve when you study this subject. Okay, so when you complete the studying of consumer electronics, you will be able to troubleshoot different types of microphones and speakers. You will be able to maintain audio systems, analyze the composite video signal used in television signal transmission, troubleshoot color TV receivers and maintain various consumer electronic appliances. So basically in this subject we are going to study the different appliances and technical details of the different consumer electronics uh, items, we can say. Okay, so let us just see in detail what we are going to study. In the first unit we will study the audio fundamentals, in which we are first going to see the different definitions like level and loudness, pitch, frequency response, etc. Then we will see the different types of amplifiers, audio amplifiers, in which there are two types, mono and stereo. We will study that. Then we will see the different types of microphones and we will study the different types of speakers. And at the last we will see the troubleshooting procedure. Then in the second unit we will study the CD player, compact disc player, in which we will see the block diagram of CD player, then different components used in CD mechanism. Then we will see the block diagram of hi-fi amplifier system, public address system, home theater system, and then we will see the troubleshooting and working of MP3. Then in unit 3 we will start the television fundamentals and transmitter, in which we will be studying the different definitions used in TV communication, for example like aspect ratio, image continuity, interlace scanning, etc. Then we will see what is vestigial sideband transmission. Then we will study the different definitions related with the composite video signal. We will see the Grassmann's law. We will study the color theory in television. Then we will study the CCIRB standards, and then we will complete the block diagram and troubleshooting of color television. In unit 4 we are going to study the television receivers, in which first we will complete the block diagram and operation of color TV receiver. Then we will study the PALD decoder. Then we will study the HD TV, LCD LED TV, then DTH direct to home, and again troubleshooting, and after that OLED. Then in the last unit we will study the different electronic appliances, consumer electronic appliances. The first is photocopier. Photocopier means we better understand it as Xerox machine, isn't it? So we will study the working of photocopier. then the microwave oven, then washing machine, digital camera and camcorder, and again troubleshooting of all these appliances. Now we know what we are going to study. Now this on the screen you are having the marks distribution. Hmm. In the first unit, audio fundamentals, total marks allotted to first unit is 8. 8 marks weightage is there. Then for second unit, marks allotted are 12. Then for third unit, 16 marks are allotted. Then in fourth unit, we are having 14 marks weightage for the television receivers, and the last unit is having 20 marks weightage. So if you see here, you will come to know that the last topic or the last unit is having maximum weightage. We are going to study 5 appliances in that chapter, and each one carries 4 marks. Okay, so maximum weightage is there to the last unit. Then after that, the third unit carries 16 marks weightage. So it is very uh, basic working and definitions and receivers and transmitters are there. So we are going to cover the fundamentals of television communication in that. So it is conceptually important chapter, and it is having weightage also. So after that, the audio systems part, means first unit and second unit, in all carries 20 marks weightage, which is relatively very simpler to study, but carries again the same weightage, like the last topic. So I will advise you that do not leave any syllabus for option, because this subject is very good for scoring. There is only block diagrams or circuit diagrams are there, mainly block diagrams are there only, and we have the description. So it is theoretical, there are no numericals in it, right? So, and for ease understanding also, this subject is very easy, so you will have good score in this. hmm? So this is the just introduction part of our syllabus, and from the next video we will start with the actual content of the syllabus. Okay, so we will stop here. And thank you for watching.